Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel The Official Health. Today we'll discuss about a very important topic, so watch this video till the end. And if you are new in this channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, hit the like button too. So let's start the video. So what is carb cycle? Carb cycle is basically a cycle of carbs. Like you start eating carbs and gradually drop it to zero day by day. Then again you repeat the process, start eating carbs and gradually drop it to zero. This process is called कार्ब साइकिल. आप कितने दिन के लिए कार्ब साइकिल कर सकते हो वो आपकी मर्जी. एक हफ्ता, 2 हफ्ता, 3 हफ्ता या फिर एक महीना. There are 3 days in a carb cycle. One is high carb day, one is low carb day, one is no carb day. Usually fitness model or during photo shoot, or if you want to drop your body fat percentage, you can do carb cycle. For example, suppose you do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday low carb day. Thursday is your high carb day. Friday, Saturday is your no carb day. Again on Sunday you shoot carb. So see here, the fluctuation of carbs is very random. So you will get extreme result and you will drop your body fat percentage to its maximum and without losing your muscle and water fat. So there are some processes you can follow during carb cycle. You can do 3 days of low carb day, 2 days of no carb day, 2 days of high carb day. Again you can do 1 day of low carb day, 2 days of high carb day, 4 days of no carb day. Again you can reverse the process by 4 days of low carb day, 2 days of high carb day, 1 day of no carb day. ये टोटली आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आप क्या करना चाहते हो और आपका फिटनेस गोल क्या है. So see here, the main point is when you are in 3 to 4 days of low carb diet or in no carb diet, your body metabolism also gets low. And when you again shoot carb on your high carb day, your body metabolism also gets high. But when you are taking low carb diet for more than 3 to 4 weeks, your body starts to hit the plateau and you will stop getting result because you are not giving the body the enough nutrition it requires and you will start losing your muscle, which is bad for your health. In low carb diet of a carb cycle, you can take 80 to 100 grams of carbohydrate. You can increase that up to 120 grams also. In no carb diet of a carb cycle, you will take 0 grams of carbohydrate. Here 0 means no fruits, no grains. You can take vegetables. Vegetables are not considered as carbohydrate. You can take as much as you want. In high carb day, you will take 300 to 400 grams of carbohydrate. Here you will take all the missing carbohydrate like fruits, grains, brown rice, etc. So see, when you are doing low carb diet, your glycogen gets depleted and your body starts to tap the fat for energy. But when you are doing that for many days, your body starts to tap the muscle for energy because you are not giving your body the enough nutrition it requires. So your fuel tank remains empty, which is the glycogen, when you remain in a low carb diet. Then again you start eating carbs. Then again for the next 2 days you remain in a no carb diet. In these 2 days what happens? Your body takes the energy and utilizes it from the previous few days, which is stored in your body. This process of refill deplete of carbohydrate, अगर आप ये महीनों के लिए या फिर हफ्तों के लिए फॉलो कर रहे हो, this process will give you extreme result and you will lose only your fat, not your muscle. But you have to take protein and fat when you are dropping the carbs, because if you are not doing that, your body will feel fatigued and you will start losing your muscle also. Now comes the question how to stay fit and lean over the year round with carb cycle. So what people actually do during carb cycle is either they do extreme high carb cycle or they do extreme low carb cycle. And after shoot, when they come back home, they start eating junk food from here and there and don't maintain their diet anymore. मैंने भी वैसा किया था, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. So then I realized and I start to put the carb cycle in my daily lifestyle and make it a habit, because nutrition is the most key thing in this industry. 80% of the nutrition depend on it and 20% depend on the workout. If your goal is to build muscle, then you can do 5 days high carb, 2 days low carb. Then again you can do 6 days high carb, 1 day low carb. Now if your goal is to lose fat, then you can do 6 days low carb, 1 day high carb, or 5 days low carb, 2 days high carb. When you add carb cycle to your lifestyle, you will start getting perfect result, and due to that, people will see you and start judging you, and they will say that वो तो drugs करता है, he must be on steroid. My friend, let me tell you something. I am in this field for 8 years and I know what is natural bodybuilding called. I have gathered experience for all these years and I know what nutrition can do to your body. लोगों के कानों में बह मत जाना, क्योंकि लोग तो कुछ कहेंगे, लोग का काम है कहना. You have to focus on what you are doing and continues to do that and become the best version of yourself. अभी मैं जो इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाला हूँ वो बहुत ही गौर से देखना, क्योंकि this will help you in both building muscle and to lose fat. In week 1 you can see here there are 4 high carb days and 3 low carb days. So here the ratio becomes 60% of high carb day and 40% of low carb day. So this chart will help you to build your muscle. In week 2 you can clearly see that there are 4 days of low carb day and 3 days of high carb day. So the ratio becomes here 60% of low carb days and 40% of high carb day. This chart will help you to lose your fat. पर ये तो फैट लॉस का हो गया और मसल बिल्ड का हो गया, पर आप इसे लाइफस्टाइल में कैसे ऐड करोगे? Now you can see if we combine both the chart, week 1 and week 2, you will get 7 days of high carb days and 7 days of low carb days. They are perfectly balanced to each other. Now let's focus on the weekend. Many people encounter occasions on the weekend. Suppose you have an occasion on Sunday evening. So what you can do is, and you know on Sunday evening we have to consume high amount of food. So what you can do is simply switch the carb days with Saturday, and on the day after the occasion you can simply do extra cardio to burn your extra fat, and you can do a low carb or no carb diet on that day. As simple as that. And this will not hamper your fitness goal at all. Now let's focus on the macros of a carb cycle. On a high carb day, if you are taking 1.6 grams per pound of body weight of carbohydrate, then you will take 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight, totally half of carbohydrate. On a low carb cycle, you will take 0.8 grams per pound of body weight of carbohydrate and 1.6 grams per pound of body weight of protein. In this time, you have to maintain your fats also, because fat is the another source of energy when you remain in a low carb diet. Now comes the question, who can do carb cycle? Let me tell you about that. अगर आपका गोल है फैट लॉस करना, then you can do low carb cycle. अगर आपका गोल है मसल बिल्ड करना, then you can do high carb cycle. मगर if your goal is to maintain your body fat and your physique is good and your body fat percentage is about 6 to 12%, then you can maintain this chart. This chart is for them. So this is my complete information about carb cycle. Hope you like this video. 2019 को मैं पूरा साल लीन रहा हूँ 6% ऑफ बॉडी फैट, पर 2020 को ड्यू टू दिस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन मुझे घर का खाना और घर पे ही वर्कआउट करना पड़ रहा है, तो अगर आप जानना चाहते हो इस लॉकडाउन का मेरा घर का खाना और मेरा वर्कआउट प्लान, तो नीचे मुझे कमेंट में बताइए। और तब तक के लिए स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, सी यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो।